Hello guys, welcome back to Swatoria channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to create server on Discord for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? Shouldn't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the started. First, we go to the Discord application that you have been to install before. Click on the Discord, and if you don't download for this application, please download first in the Play Store. It's free for you. Okay, for the next step, in the upper of the left corner, in the below of the symbol of the message, there is a have the plus symbol. You just to click the plus symbol here, and after that there is a have so many options for you. The first one is create my own, and the second one is start from a temple for the gaming, school, club, study group, friends, artists and creators, and the next is a local community. So I want to create my own servers. Click on the create my own here, and for here you can or you get about the two options. The first one, for me and my friends, is only you and your friends, and the second one for a club or community. It means this server is all of the people can use or can see about this server, because the server is for the club or community. And I wanted to click the for me and my friends, click on. After that, you also can to create your server by upload your photos profile. If you don't want to get it or you don't want to do it, you can click create server. Okay, and after that you can type for the topic here, tap on for the topic and type for your topic that you want to including for your server. And after you type it, you can click take me to my server. Okay, this is your link to share for the other people or your friends, and make the friend is inviting your server. And after that you can click share link. You can share for all the people here, and also for the application, and you can copy it, and you can paste the any others application, and all of application you can also to paste it. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, I think it's enough to how to create server on Discord for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention, and bye.